Going to Shaolin was great, very interesting. Because Shaolin, as I remember it, there's the monastery and then there was kind of a stadium for the martial arts shows. It was pretty quiet. It was a mountain town. Big boulevards and lots of schools for teaching Shaolin style Kung Fu. And we were told that there were up to 130,000 students in Dongfeng, the town at the bottom of the hill, studying Wushu. There's like a Wushu factory, right? There's a whole industry now.
Shaolin Temple in northwest Henan was a cradle for China's most famous martial art, Kung Fu. It has long been a mecca for both Chinese and foreigners wishing to train in the skill. In 1994, Peter was one of them.